Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to KitchenTube HD. Today I'm making a Middle Eastern dessert, basbousa. So I have the ingredients in front of me. So let's start. First I'm going to mix the wet ingredient. Melted butter, yogurt, then we add the egg, 1 egg, and the vanilla essence. Finally, the sugar, and mix. That will be enough. Now let's do the dry ingredients. Let me add the semolina. Then we add the flour, desiccated coconut, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then let's mix. Make a well. Let's add the wet ingredients. It's turning into a batter. Transfer into a greased baking dish. Flatten it. I flattened it. Now let's cut it. Okay, now we have to add almond to each square. One for you, one for me. I like almonds. Now keep this aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, let's make the sugar syrup. For sugar syrup, we need, of course, sugar and water. And wait for 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes thick and it melts. Now the sugar syrup is ready. It's thickened. I've boiled for 10 minutes. Let's off it. Add the lime juice. Add rose essence. If you want, you can use rose essence or rose water. Keep it aside for cooling. I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees and now let's bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. I've baked it for 30 minutes. It's ready. Now add half of the sugar syrup. That's enough. Bake it for another 5 minutes. I've baked it for another 5 minutes and now it's nice and golden brown on top. Let's add the remaining sugar syrup. And now the basbousa is ready. It has not cooled down properly, but it will look so yummy. I just wanted to eat it now. Let's taste. That is so yum. Thanks for watching KitchenTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Mwah.